Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about capturing text in URL, and following are the topics that we are going to learn. Firstly, we will get an overview of capturing text in URL. Then we will see an example. So let's begin. You may have noticed that each captured argument is sent to the view as a simple plain Python Unicode string. Anyhow, of what sort of match the regular expression makes. And this is essential to keep this in a mind when you are writing a view code. Many built-in Python functions are picky about accepting only objects of a particular type. So we will see an example to understand the concept of capturing text in URL and learn the meaning of what I want to say about the picky about accepting objects. So here I create a project with the name capturing text and with an app inside it with the name my app. Then I define a url.py file which is located inside the project directory. So I open my project directory capturing text, and here you can see that I have a file with the name urls.py file, and here I write a code. You can see that I include the path of the my apps.url. It means it defined the path of the URL file which is located inside the app directory. So after defining the project URL file, we need to map it with the URL in the URLs file of our app directory. So I open my app directory with the name my app, and here you can see that I have a file with the name urls.py. So I open this file, and here firstly I import the necessary libraries and view, and you can see that here I create a path using the re underscore path function, and here I define path as home slash, and here I use a regular expression which is 4 times t, 2 times t and 2 times t, and here I call the date underscore view. So then I define the logic of capturing the text in the URL file. So I move to the views.py file and write the code. So you can see that here firstly I import the necessary libraries. So I need a datetime library and HTTP response class of the shortcut module. So here I write a code. So firstly I explain you this code, and you can see that here I create a view function with the name day underscore view, and in the parentheses I pass request year, month and day as an argument. Then I call the datetime.date method along with the attribute year, month and day, and I initialize the date variable to it. Then I write the HTML code. Here you can see that which returns the date variable which I defined here, and in last I return the HTTP response, and here I pass the HTML where I write the code. So now I execute this project by typing the command python manage.py run server. Now I will show you the output. So you will get the screen like this. You have to type slash home slash, then you have to pass the date in the format year, month and date. So I pass year as 2022, month as 1 and the date as 16. So now I hit on a enter button. So when I hit, you can see that it returns an error. So this is a common error which is produced while creating the datetime.date object with the string value instead of the integer value. You can see that it shows the error as an integer is required, got type string. So to solve this error, we need to type converts the year, month and date into an integer. I will show you the code. So firstly, I comment this code which I write, and then here you can see that I write the rectified code. So here you can see I similarly create a view with the name day underscore view, and I pass request year, month and day as attribute. Then I call the datetime date function or a method with the attribute year, month and day. But you can see that I type converts this into the int. So here I write int in front of these attributes. Then I again write the HTML code which return the date, and here I return the HTTP response. Now I execute this code and show you the output. So now I refresh this. So you can see that now it shows the HTTP response on the screen. You can see it shows the date as 2022 first which means January, and then 16 which means date is 16. So by default the int itself raise a value error when we passing it a string that is not constituted only a digit. So we are avoiding that problem in this situation by using the regular expression in the URL configuration file that has made sure only string contains a digit are sent to the view function. So here you can see that I write the regular expression in the url.py file. So with this we have learned capturing text in the URL.